I'm Sandy's AI clone. The real Sandy's out showing homes, negotiating deals, and wowing clients with 35 years of real estate experience.
Sandy has an appraisal background, a black belt, and she's a sign language interpreter. I've got her brain in the cloud and about 80% of her SaaS.
Sandy shows 8 to 10 homes a day, mapped with military precision, and I handle neighborhood data, trends, emails, and calls.
Home number 7, ETA 5 minutes.
Comps in Sector 3.
I collect data, spot trends, and predict values, and I use it to educate, strategize, and help my clients win smarter and faster.
With her appraisal background and black belt focus, she karate chops bad deals into better ones.
And that's how we negotiate. I would go to the ends of the earth to find my clients that perfect home.
Old school's out cold. Work with an agent who fights smarter. Sandy Margolin, AI certified.
2 Sandys. 1 mission. Smarter moves, faster results, and real human connection. Don't gamble with your future.